Hey guys, welcome to CodeWar. I'm Ramesh and today in this video I will show you how you can download and install CodeBlocks with MinGW GCC compiler on Windows platform with very easy steps. So let's start. So first of all, open your favorite browser. Here I am using Chrome for this. Now enter the URL of CodeBlocks official website, that is codeblocks.org. Go to the download section. Here you have to go to this download the binary release link. So click on it. Okay, as we are on Windows platform, we have to download this CodeBlocks 17.12 MinGW setup.exe. But if you are on Linux or Mac OS, you will have to go for the links below. For Linux, you can choose any of these links depending upon your system's requirement. And for Mac OS, here is the link. Well, in this video, I'm only showing installation for Windows platform. So download this file for Windows platform, the fourth link in Windows section. The download will start just in few seconds. So wait till it starts. Okay, the download has been started, but as I have already downloaded this file in my PC, I'm going to cancel it and then I will show you what you have to do after your downloading completes. After your download completes, go to your download folder. Now double click on the file you have downloaded. Well, you can change your destination folder to install CodeBlocks to any other location on your computer, but I will suggest you to leave it as it is. Now click install. Do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Click yes. Next. Finish. You can see the GNU GCC compiler has been detected. Now click OK. Click OK again. Now we have downloaded and installed CodeBlocks along with MinGW GCC compiler. So let's create a new console application to check whether our CodeBlocks is working properly or not. So click on create a new project. Select console application and click on go. Click next. Now choose your language. Here I am selecting C. Now browse to select a location where you want to save your project. Here I am selecting desktop. Now enter your project title. Click next. Click finish. So we have created a project successfully. Now let's open the main file from our project. You can see by default a program to print hello world is written in it. Let's build and run it. Hello world. So this is it guys. We have installed CodeBlocks with MinGW GCC compiler successfully.